Yo, I'm a rapper, son. I get at you with a capper, son. What? Holla at your boy, man. You know I run up in the block with that AK-47 and I go, yeah, you know, so one time I didn't want to be a rapper. But since lately, like my vibe kind of just dropped for the whole rapping. I know you're probably saying, a Jamaican wanting to be a rapper? What the fuck? Of course, I wanted to be a rapper, you know what I mean? Rapping was fun. You want me to give you something real quick? Let me get that beat. Okay. Somebody give me the beat. Nobody's around to give me the beat. But I realized that rappers nowadays are just rappers. They are just packaging, but people seem to be eating up the packaging and not going for the food, the substance in a rap. And I got questions. Dear rappers, why you always talking about no homo? Always talking about no homo, but turn around and say some gay shit. Why is it that every rapper nowadays is talking about, yo, ain't worried about nothing, look me in my face, I ain't got no worries. Nigga, you got worries. The IRS. How the hell is it you're making so much money, but you do not pay your taxes? Talking about turn up! How about you turn up to the tax office and pay your goddamn tax on time? Instead of making your way to the strip club to make it rain on these women, how about you take your ass to the tax office and make it rain down there? Every day most on brag about how, yo, I got the finest watch, and then your fucking bezel fall off at the BET Awards. Ace Hood. Don't pay on no damn tax. Why don't you brag about, yo, nigga, I pay my taxes, nigga? What up, though? That's why our dear Prime Minister, I don't think she would allow some of you rappers to come out here because you don't pay your taxes. I used to say, we no play with the dancehall artists them when they no pay them tax. Run up in your place, take what you have, and action it. Most of them don't know me at all, but when I call nobody name. Elephant and Bundy. Rappers, why is it that every time more sound rhyme nigga with nigga?
Run upon you, my nigga, and then run upon him, my nigga. And if I call you back, my nigga, you better put the phone down and say what?
My nigga? Most of them talk about the inner the streets. No, you're not in the streets. Nobody in the see you nice. You're in one of these rich communities, living life, maybe watching Days of Our Lives. I know it's not good to glorify this gun thing, but why is it that most of you rappers rap about the chopper? It's all about the chopper, the yapper. I'm tired of the same goddamn lyrics. Don't you know how to rap about like other fucking guns? Nigga, I'll run upon you with a tanker. I'll pull up on you with that revolver. Bang! What the hell is this? If you look at most of the rappers nowadays, that's all they do. Look like you have like some serious case of arthritis. You niggas need to take some of that money and go to the doctor. Speaking of doctor, all this goddamn seizure. At one point I thought Lil Wayne and Rick Ross was in a competition for who can have the most goddamn seizures per week. Like what the fuck? You have all that money. You mean if you tell me say you can't find yourself a doctor, I'll make sure say I live right. But I guess that comes from you talking about
no sleep, nigga.
Big 40, 30-year-old men talking about no sleep. This is not when you're 24, 21, when you can just run day after day after day. You're not 21, you're big 40-year-old men who need to sleep. You have all that money already and still talking about nigga fuck sleep. Fuck sleep. When you get a heart attack and dead, you will be sleeping for a long time. Sleep don't you. And what the hell is up with you rappers and this no snitching thing? You see an innocent person get murdered, you see a baby get murdered, you're not gonna say anything. But at the same time, most of the rappers snitch the hell upon herself. In on the song them, I ran up in his house. I shot him on the couch. I didn't shoot his grandma because she walked with a slouch. Where did I get the gun? Nigga, I got it from my pouch. Woo! Tell the cops come and get me. I'm gonna try and lead a country, but please don't let me. Meet me at the airport, 3:45. I don't wanna die, so please take me alive. And what's up with all these noises that I hear in your songs? Like, first of all, most of you have the same goddamn noise, cause you're gonna hear this shit. Skirt, skirt, skirt. And then you have whoop, whoop, whoop. Then you have whoop, whoop. I'm listening to the nowadays rap songs and I don't know, bang bang, no, skirt, whoop, 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 whoop. I'm hearing all these extra sounds. I don't know if I should call animal control or get you an ambulance. I don't know if you're having a heart attack. I don't know what the hell is going on with these extra sounds. Like, what the fuck, man? Why? Like, nobody not teach most I don't know if you do interviews. Like, why is it that every time when you're doing an interview, it's always like, because I was like, you feel me? Because if I go up there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? No, I don't know what the fuck you're saying. You haven't said 3 fucking words. And how is it you talk about being so gangster, yet still we see you on tape all the time, getting smacked up, getting your chain taken. If you talk about being a gangster so much, no man shouldn't be able to run up on you and take your chain. Why the hell is it that most of these rappers go broke so goddamn quick? I can't fucking fathom some of the shit you do. How the fuck do you make so much money and go broke? Nigga, don't you know how to fucking invest? Like Dave Chappelle said, they should've never gave you niggas money. Always talking about being strapped and you don't have a fucking gun. I mean, even stop here rappers at top, boy. How much money you got, all the cars, bitches. Try to rap about shit that's happening in your society. We understand that's the life you live, but you gotta put that upon a minimum and actually like use rap for the way it used to do. Back when Ice Cube used to rap, back when Ice-T used to rap. Use rap for the purpose thing. Cause rap, it's a descendant of reggae. So it don't surprise me now to see most of you rappers drawing back to like old school reggae and getting samples. I hope someone will pay the man them too. I mean, no love take sample like a phone and no pay the people them. I hope not give the man them their money where they forget. When you use rap to glorify all type of shit, please get back to rapping lyrics. Most of you didn't finish high school, but with all that money, I think you should go back to high school, get some education so that when you're rapping, it actually sound like you're intelligent. We got the producers them, cause them actually make dope beats, and it's just the beat the people like, and then whatever you're saying behind it, we're just like, yeah, fuck with it, cause the beat is cool. I don't understand, what the fuck is up with the rap game, man? Answer me all this shit, rappers. Answer me. Yes, man. Why the hell do you rappers think it is so cool to get shot? Ain't nothing cool about getting shot. When I do make some money, I'm gonna invest in some bullet repellent thing that rappers could spray on. Cause you refuse to stay away from guns and stay away from bullets. I don't know if there's something about rapping that attracts bullets. Took it out my waist and then I hit him with the burner. Bow, 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 shit. Getting shot so you could rap? Ain't nobody got rhymes for that.